this good morning. In this period, let us analyze an equilibrium between demand and supply. So already we have discussed the demand side and supply side in detail. Now let us try to understand the equilibrium between demand and supply. You know very well, under market mechanism, demand and supply are considered as the most important market forces on the basis of which the market price will be determined. You know very well, the price of a commodity in the market can be determined on the basis of the total demand for and supply of that particular commodity. Now, how equilibrium will be established and how the equilibrium market price will be determined. Let us study this with the help of a demand and supply schedule. Let us try to understand the market equilibrium price with the help of this particular diagram. So this demand and supply schedule shows different levels of quantity demanded and quantity supplied at various level of prices. So here the first column, price 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and quantity demanded will go on contract. So quantity demanded contracts with a rise in price. This is according to our law of demand. So quantity demanded contracts 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20 like that. Similarly, quantity supplied increases or it expands with a rise in price. Here price is increasing and at the same time quantity supplied is also increasing or expanding. So this shows the positive relation between price and quantity supplied and inverse relation between quantity demanded and price. So this is according to our law of demand and law of supply. Now, how equilibrium price can be determined? Equilibrium price will be determined at that point where demand curve intersects the supply curve. With the help of this particular data, let us draw the demand curve. In this diagram, DD represents the demand curve and SS represents the supply curve. Clear? So both these curves are intersecting at this particular point. That is, point E shows the equilibrium between demand and supply. Here, the equilibrium price has been determined to the extent of OP. At OP price level, the quantity demanded and quantity supplied are equal. So in this schedule also, you can find at price 8, quantity demanded is equal to 50 and quantity supplied is also 50. So this is shown in this particular diagram. Demand curve DD intersects the supply curve at point E and OP is the market equilibrium price and OQ is the equilibrium quantity demanded and quantity supplied. So in this way, under market mechanism, especially in case of perfect competition, the equilibrium market price will be determined on the basis of the two forces, that is total demand for and total supply of that particular commodity. Therefore, the equilibrium market price will be determined where total demand is equal to total supply. This is shown in this particular diagram. Okay. So with this, we have completed the third unit of the syllabus. From our next period, let us try to understand the production analysis. Here, let us study different production functions. Let us study two important production loss, the law of variable proportions, and the loss of returns to scale. So let us try to understand all these aspects relating to production in our next period. Thank you.